People feel compelled to express their opinion on things through the internet. Somehow they got a hold of I guess it's on my website, my email. I really wanted that big case you had, but that's not what they chose to send me. Most of it was very positive. A lot of it were people that were watching this in Germany or England or the Netherlands, or wacky. I don't know, they don't have anything else to do in those countries, but a bunch of people here also gave me suggestions on a daily basis what we should do or how we screwed up yesterday. But the folks that sent me you are a rotten piece of scum, and I hope you die of, let me clean this up a little bit, rectal cancer, they have a misapprehension of the system. They have a misapprehension of our justice system. While they're very familiar with the Second Amendment, they apparently haven't read the Fourth, the Fifth, the Sixth, or the Eighth Amendments that guarantee us the freedom, or guarantee our freedoms of ourselves and our property. John Adams, the second president of the United States, in 1770, 8 British soldiers were charged with murdering colonial activists, demonstrators, who charged them. 8 of them were indicted and charged with murder. John Adams represented them in 1770. 6 were acquitted, 2 were convicted of manslaughter, none were hung or whatever. Now, he said that everybody deserves the presumption of innocence and the benefit of counsel. Why? I don't understand this presumption of innocence and everybody's entitled to a lawyer is such an alien concept. But trust me, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, that me and my co-counsel, we got emails. Not all of them wished rectal cancer on me, but most of them are fairly critical. And so those are people that don't understand the Constitution. They also understand one other thing. I took an oath 49 years ago, and I pull it out from time to time and read it as a lawyer, because oaths matter. Your word matters. I will maintain the respect and courtesy due to the courts of justice, judicial officials, and those who assist them. To my clients, I pledge faithfulness, competence, diligence, good judgment, and prompt communications. To opposing parties and their counsel, I pledge fairness, integrity, civility, not only in court, but also in all written and oral communications. Now, I've not always upheld that particular oath promise there, but God knows I've tried. I will maintain the dignity of the legal system and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor and reputation of a party or witness unless required by the justice of the cause which I am charged. I will assist the defenseless or oppressed by ensuring that justice is available to all citizens and will not delay any person's cause for profit or malice. So help me God. This is an oath I took 49 years ago, and I take it seriously. And by the way, my interest, you don't have to convince me you're innocent for me to represent you. That's not the issue. The issue is, can the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt? And once you decide that position, you are free to do what is in your client's best interest. If your mind is muddled with, is he innocent or guilty, you cannot do your job. And I've prosecuted, I've put a man in the electric chair, I've defended a man who went to the electric chair. I've done both sides. I'm not a Red Sox fan or a Yankees fan. That's not what this is about. This is doing your job. So those who out there, this may appear on YouTube somewhere, who don't understand that, go read a book. Abraham Lincoln represented 20 murder defendants. Not all of them were acquitted, but he fought for every one of them. This is about a system. And by the way, that system doesn't exist in this state without us. That's the attractiveness of being in this body. We shape how that system works. So I've come back from 6 weeks overseas. And let me also, Margie's not here today, but Margie Matthews was very kind in letting us use her office to have lunch in every day to avoid and I know this sounds so vain, paparazzi who surrounded the Walterboro Courthouse, Carlton County Courthouse. And by the way, the people that slept outside for nights to get into the courtroom, get some help. Please, soon, okay? There's something wrong with you. you know, y'all cheered us when we came in or whatever, but you really, really need help. So thank you for being nice to me while I was gone. You took care of abortion. You have not taken care of guns, Majority Leader. You could have done it all and brought me back without having to deal with that kind of stuff. But I appreciate you at least getting some of the stuff cleared out.
The senator's time is about to expire. The senator.
Well, I'm expired. Okay.
Well, you've got.
Thank you very much.
But you had Senator from Williamsburg. What purpose do you ask?
Unanimous consent request.
State your request.
That the words from the Senator from Richland be printed in the journal.
Without objection, so ordered.